I'm on a fishing line.
Oh.
Good here.
So what's going on then, Lo?
I'm testing the British Red Damore Flints made in Great Britain fire starting kit.
Okay. And what kind of shit you got in there then?
All sorts. Got a bellows.
Ah. Also could double as
A blowpipe.
yeah.
Yeah.
Or telescopic cot.
Emergency whistle on the end of there. Brutal. Massive fire steel.
Yeah.
We have some fat wood. And some wick. That's a fire wick. Get some fat wood off. Don't really need to use that, but get some in there, it'll help. Oh, it smells proper woody.
These leaves are really crunchy and lovely.
Oh. Little bit in there. We're better off with a pencil sharpener for this. But as you can see, you're still getting nice little threads going. Oh, that's pretty bad.
Yeah, we don't
Little
need that.
curls.
Yeah, you've got enough of that grass stuff to kick it off anyway.
Right, there's the striker.
Okay.
Ooh.
Sweet as a nut.
Bit more, bit more. Whoop.
Oh.
Yep.
I'll get it underneath.
Oh, going. Ooh. Yeah, that's got it nice.
Okay.
Bellows. Ooh, the bellows works.
Yeah, you need stick gauge.
The sticks under there need more. And some leaves. Dried leaves. That looks well.
Yeah.
This wick also, you can light that and you pull it down
Oh yeah.
like that.
Oh, that's
and
good.
you can take your fire with you.
Glow stick.
Yeah, so basically you can take your fire with you, like.
Okay, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Oh.
See? You can take your fire with you.
Perfect fire.